The Site Clerk internship with Charles River Lab is a great opportunity for students to have exposure to the workings of industry related to biomedical science.
Well, the internship program with TMCC is a great partnership for us. This is the second year that we've partnered with TMCC, and it's a great way for us to find students who are talented and who are ready to be in the workforce. Out of the 5 students that we had last year for our internship program, we hired 2 full-time students, so we're super happy with that.
We've had a number of grants that are focused on pipelining students into biomedical science careers, and so some of those grants fund opportunities like summer workshops to bring students up to college ready. Others are bringing them in the lab, getting them lab experience, and so the next step is then taking all of those collective experiences and taking it into the workplace.
We're really proud of the Site Clerk internship program that we developed with TMCC. As you know, it's getting very competitive in the Reno-Tahoe area to try to find employees, and the Site Clerk really gives us an in to be able to see who's at TMCC and gives a chance for folks to test out Charles River and see whether it's an atmosphere that they'd like to work in. It gives us a chance to look at folks as well. It gives us a chance to really work with the community college and help influence their curricula a little bit so that they can train people who are ready to come into our workforce.
This program helps us out a lot. It gets in people who can learn the business from the ground up, and then they also get to work with our technicians a little bit. We do some shadowing of the other departments. They get to learn about the behavior department, the veterinary medicine department. They get to speak with scientists that we have. We set up meetings with lab side, technical operations, histology, all kinds of stuff like that. Wherever they're interested, we try and get them a little bit of exposure in all those different departments so they can learn about them too.
Everybody gets along, and it's a good work environment, peaceful, even though you're busy.
We are looking for students who are going to sort of take the initiative. So they're interested in getting this experience, they're going to get everything that they can out of it, they're interested in making connections and having exposure to as many different kind of workday experiences as they can. And so it's not necessarily the straight A student, it's not necessarily the student who's always known what they wanted to do. Maybe it's someone who's exploring something different, but they're going to take the initiative. They're going to have good work skills, they're going to have a good work ethic. It's about putting in the effort.